Your 69 to 72 Chevy Blazers and your 69 72 GMC Jimmys, the same thing, had fiberglass tops and fiberglass hatches. Now fiberglass can get nice and brittle and that'll make it crack. Any additional stress and movement, that's going to make it crack even more. Today I want to show you how to get all of your slack and slop out of this so it's quieter and it doesn't bang around and crack your fiberglass at the same time. So what you're going to want to notice right here, just above the striker, there's this little bit of a wedge right here. Now that's going to match up with the wedge that's going on right up here. Those two wedges are just going to come together and slide in like that, and they're going to keep the hatch from moving around too much. So what I've found that works the best is you're going to need to take your tailgate, put it down. You're going to need to take your hatch and bring it down. Now you'll need to climb up inside and take a look at the space between those two guys, and you're going to have to figure out how many shims or how many washers you're going to need to put in between those in order to take up that slack on both sides. So after you identify how much is in there, go ahead and get enough shims or washers, and then go ahead and put it in between the wedge right here and the brace. So let's say, for instance, you got a really wide gap and you're going to need 4 or 5 different shims. You don't want to put all of them on here. You'll put half on here and half on here. You'll shut it back down and see how it's lining up or not. Maybe you got too many in. You bring it back up, take one of them out. Just keep doing that until you've got it evenly, importantly evenly, because if you get this side all set up and that's still got slack, it's going to just push it over. So we're looking for even, and we're looking to take up that gap. After we get that all set up, we'll go ahead and shut this back down, double check it all, and we're ready to rock. Make sure your rubber's good too. We have that if you don't. Now, be sure and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and when you're on the YouTube channel, subscribe, because we are doing these videos all the time to help you and your truck get back on the road. We'll see you all there.